Hello everyone. Um, so today I'll be showing how you can insert and file basically inside an Excel. So sometime you'll see in some Excel there is an embedded file that we have, and it is very easy to directly open that file from there instead of putting a link inside the Excel and going to that link separately. So I'll try to show you how we can do that. So first let me try to I have an open Excel here. I'll try to merge some cells. Okay, just to create a blank space here, I'll click on this margin center. So we see we have here one block. We'll create all outside borders. Okay, now see, this is a blank space I have created. Now I'll try to insert or an object or insert and file here. So I'll try go to insert, and here you will see this particular icon. It's called an object. So just click on this one and go to the tab, click from create from file, and now here you have to browse that file basically. So for example, I have some PDF file here, and I'm just select one and clicked on insert, and on this also click this check mark. Then the icon will show like this. It will be easier for the user who will be using the Excel to understand that this is a PDF file. And after that, click on OK. So what it will happen, it will embed this file directly in this particular Excel file. So if you send this Excel file to someone, this will go with it. So the user can directly click it, double click it, and it will be opened. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this will be useful. Thank you everyone.